It is now my proud privilege to invite our chief guest, Professor N. Nimai Singh, Director, Research Institute of Science and Technology, Manipur University, to address the gathering.
President of today's function, Professor L. Rajendra Singh, Principal GP Women College, DM University, Imphal. Guest of honors, Dr. Meisnam Bidyasagar, Head Department of Physics, GP Women College, and Professor M.D. Baharuddin Shah, Coordinator IQAC, Professor and Head Department of Geography, GP Women College. My colleague, today's speaker, Professor A. Gohain Barua, former Head and Professor, Department of Physics, Gauhati University, distinguished academician from different departments of these colleges and from DM College of Science also. Among these, I will mention only two persons. Dr. Raju Hudrom is the President of NAMA. He is sitting here. General Secretary. And he represents NAMA, North American Manipuri Association, and we are having a grant ceremony on 30th of January at Manipur University Physics Department. The research grant sponsored by NAMA, and he is representing the NAMA as a president of the function on that day. So please come on 30th of January at Manipur University. And my friend, Dr. Professor Gunadhar, he's a big scientist there, retired from Bhopal. He's our expert also, and many others distinguished scientists and academicians, my dear students. You might have heard about Oscar Wilde. He used to say one word, we all are in the gutter, but some of us are looking at the stars. The meaning is that even though we are born in this obscure place, research we are trying to do compete the rest of the world. Scientific thoughts and its creation are the common heritage of mankind. The laws of science, laws of physics, laws of chemistry, all these things, the Western people, the European people, the civilized people, we also can discover, we also can invent something, some hidden law of nature. It is our fundamental right. It is the fundamental right of all mankind to discover something, the secret of nature. It is not only for Newton, it is not only for Einstein, it is not only for the scientists born in America. We people born in this obscure place have the equal right to discover something, to invent something. The message is there. So that was the statement by Professor Abdul Salam. There are many other things. There is one philosopher, John Dewey. John Dewey was an American philosopher. He mentioned that every great advancement in science has issued from a new audacity of human imagination. So if we want to compete, we want to join the global research and all these things, we need imagination, we need thinking. Imagination is more powerful than actual things because imagination has no limit. If you want to be a great person, great scientist, that is the statement of John Dewey. You know, the beautiful mind, you might have seen a movie called Beautiful Mind. That movie is about John Nash, a famous mathematician, but he got a Nobel Prize in economics. His work on mathematics is applied to economics, so this is why he was awarded the Nobel Prize in economics. In his Nobel Prize speech, people thought that he would speak about his work, but he didn't speak on his work. He spoke something which is not related with his work. He told that you listen to his Nobel Prize speech, I learned in my life, reason has no meaning until and unless we don't have the effect of love and affection. Means reasons are most unreasonable thing. Until and unless we have love and affection in life. That means when we teach the student, used to give a lot of advice. We have to have a rescue mission, a bonus. Otherwise, my advice, my reasoning has no meaning. My reasoning is most unreasonable things. We should have love and affection. Only then our words, our suggestion, our reasoning, our advice are meaningful. Similarly, when you see the Spider-Man at the end of the movie, the message is that whenever you have power, you have more responsibility. Power goes with responsibility. In Manipur, it is the reverse. Okay. Anyway, that is the message at the end of the day. So, like that. So, why I am telling these few words is that you are the pillar of the nation. You will be our future. So, your attitude should be very clear. You know, most of the people, I am not against those people, most of the bureaucrat people who appear for IAS examination, when they fill up the form, they think about how to get money, corruption. While Professor Surjalal was my discovery. Okay, I tried to find out someone who can lead us when we started a research institute on the soil of Manipur to compete, to join the global things. I tried to find out, so I found out he was my discovery. I contacted him, I persuaded him. He was afraid in the beginning. He sent me, because the responsibility was big and I should be warned, he sent me a message like that. But after persuasion, he agreed and we started. Even though I am not a great scientist, I can discover a great scientist. Okay, anyway. So what happened? We tried to start something new in this research institute. Something new in the sense that in science there are three streams. One is theory, one is experiment, one is called simulation. Simulation is something that some programming and in the computer, the nonlinear dynamics, these things, how to convert these data into theories, all these things, it lot of mathematics and a lot of computation. So he started this training also in Manipur University. So meantime, he expired. It was a great loss. In fact, I am a physicist, I am a high energy physicist, I am a theoretical physicist. My research field is different, his research field is different. Like that, we have other scientists also from chemistry, so we have different fields. So we want to have a common one, we want to establish a new one, synthesis of all these things. So now it is very difficult to fill up this gap, so it will take some more time to fill up. As advised by senior people, you have started this institute in 2010, we established, in 2012 we restart, and now you try to pull on, don't abolish, don't throw out. Let us wait for some time that the young people may join, those people who completed PhD, postdoc from others, they may volunteer to join, and we are trying to give a platform for those people. I stayed for 22 years at Gauhati University, and Professor Gohain Barua was my close colleague, favorite friends there. And I know about his way of research. There is a saying, if you want to be famous, if you want to do the great work, if you want to get the Nobel Prize, don't follow others. You do what you like. Your work should be different from others. You concentrate on what you are interested, what you want to know. Don't jump to others' work. So, and Professor Gohain Barua has followed that strain. that followed that work. He works on his own interest, on his unique work, which is not borrowed from others, penetrating. Einstein, in order to develop general theory of relativity, Einstein took 15 years, 15 years, thinking, imagining, not giving up so easily. So Professor Gohain Barua continued, penetrated in this line for many years. Okay, it is a very, it is an example to us. And not only that, he had many others work also, meteorites works, many others work. So I know him. So we have to learn from him a lot. That is what I admire him with this. So with these few words, I thank you once again. Thank you.